Oh god.
And I'm just waiting.
Don't do it though.
No, I mean as soon as it
Alright,
goes.
take it.
Like as soon as it pops, I was gonna open it.
Holy
Dude, you're cleaning that up.
Oh my god. Oh, the smells so. Here, take the cup in here. Oh. Look at it. This smells good. This smells.
It smells like popcorn almost.
Smells like eggy popcorn. Oh, it's hot. Dude.
Yeah,
Oh,
no
that's
shit.
hotter than shit. I didn't even fucking touch it. This shit's hot. Oh, what the fuck? Did you see that?
What?
It started moving, like when I picked it up. Like,
Yeah, anyways. Oh, that's our.
I'm gonna go. Alright, this time we put marshmallows in a jar. And, yeah, pretty much it.
What? Oh my god.
Holy shit. Oh shit, it's not, it's going. Oh, just.
Maybe stop it.
Yeah,
Stop it, Nate.
Oh,
That's gonna make the biggest mess ever in there. Now put it in the freezer.
Alright, yeah, just like expected, knocked over the fucking jar.
Radiation.
I used to eat that shit just normally. Just,
No, you put it in the microwave.
I
mean, you put it in the freezer with a little bit of syrup on top. It's really good.
well, I never done that before, but I used to just melt marshmallows and eat it. Well, I'm just gonna put this in the freezer, come back to it, and yeah, see what happens. Right there, where we can see it. Alright, we're gonna be recording the same exact thing, except we're gonna see what happens when we put like a coffee filter on with like fucking rubber bands on it. Make sure that's like tight though.
I know, it really is tight.
Like put like another rubber band. Like, can you like twist another rubber band, or is it too tight?
It's too tight already.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna put a coffee filter on with some, you know, rubber bands, and now let's see what happens. Alright, here's the third part. And yeah. Oh shit, wait. What the fuck? I thought you were gonna put it like this.
Oh, I guess I could.
Yeah, let's put it like that and see what happens. Alright, sorry for the interruption. Alright, and that's not nice to pull it back. Alright, let's see. We are the champions. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh, shit!
Oh shit, I can't touch that.
Can't touch that.
I didn't do much at all. This fucking mushrooms took over.
Yeah. More rubber bands, maybe?
I just said mushrooms. I meant marshmallows, right?
Okay, got me another couple of coffee filters. I'm gonna try and twist those around.
Alright, well, yeah, there's that part. Alright, still recording.
Whoa. You see.